Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x that satisfy this equation. Solution. First, let's rewrite 1. I want you to record that log a base a equal to 1. So we can say 1 equal to log 2 base 2. So let us replace 1 with log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 plus log x base 2 plus log x plus 4 base 2 equal to log 5 minus x base 2. Now let's rewrite the left hand side, and I want you to record that if we have log m base a plus log n base a plus log k base a is equal to log m multiplied by n multiplied by k base a. So let us use this law to rewrite the left hand side. So I can say log 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x plus 4 base 2 equal to log 5 minus x base 2. Since the base of the log of both sides are equal, we can equate the argument. I can say 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x plus 4 equal to 5 minus x. 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x. 2x bracket x plus 4 equal to 5 minus x. So let us expand the bracket. 2x multiplied by x will give us 2x squared. 2x multiplied by 4 will give us plus 8x equal to 5 minus x. So let us add x to both sides. So I will have 2x squared plus 8x plus x equal to 5 minus x plus x. 2x squared plus 8x plus x, we have 9x equal to 5 minus x plus x will give us 0. So let us transpose 5 to the left hand side and the sign will change to negative. So 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. I want you to record this standard quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now if we compare this equation with this equation, our a will be 2, our b will be 9, and our c will be minus 5. So a equal to 2, b equal to 9 and c equal to minus 5. Let's use quadratic equation, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us substitute the values of our a, b and c into this formula. So we can say x equal to, our b is 9 minus 9 plus or minus square root 9 squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 2. So x equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root 9 squared will give us 81 plus, because minus 4 times 2 times minus 5 will give us plus 40 over 4. So x equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root 81 plus 40 will give us 121 over 4. X equal to minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 121 is 11. 11 over 4. X1 equal to minus 9 plus 11 over 4. X2 equal to minus 9 minus 11 over 4. X1 equal to minus 9 plus 11 will give us 2 over 4. X1 equal to 1 over 2. X2 equal to minus 9 minus 11 will give us minus 20 over 4. X2 equal to minus 5. I want you to recall our given equation, which is 1 plus log x base 2 plus log x plus 4 base 2 equal to log 5 minus x base 2. So let us check our solution. This expression in our log must be greater than 0. That means x must be greater than 0, x plus 4 must be greater than 0, 5 minus x must be greater than 0. And out of our solution, 1 over 2 is greater than 0. And if you put x, which is 1 over 2, inside this inequality, the left hand side will be greater than 0. And also, if you put 1 over 2 inside this left hand side, it will be greater than 0. But if you put minus 5 here, minus 5 is not greater than 0. X2 equal to minus 5 is invalid. So the value of our x is 1 over 2. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.